equals the blades on your Thermomix TM31 are making a weird noise. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This noise often happens due to wear and tear on the blades or a faulty motor. The good news is, we can replace the blades or fix the motor to restore your device to normal operation. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.